Okay, in this slide, you're going to be identifying like terms. Normally then we would combine them and make the equation smaller or more simplified, but right now we're just going to identify them. So what you're going to do is click on these boxes here, and you're going to drag and drop them into these areas over here. So notice how before we had highlighted the like terms and kind of left them in their area on slide 11. Well, this slide, you're going to actually click on it, drag it, and you're going to drop it. And then I have, so that has 81C. So anything with a C, you're going to add over here, the variable with a C. So you're going to add that over here. So let's see, it doesn't need to look too pretty. We just need to be able to see them. And think that is about it. Okay, so now I have a negative 2x. So anything with the variable x, I am going to drag over here on this side. XXX, XXX, and negative x. So there we go. Then I'm just going to go to the next one, 6v. So anything with a v, I'm going to drag over here. Click. You're going to hold it down and drag it over with your other finger. Oops, here's another x. See? We'll just drag that one up there. Anything else with a V, we're going to stick right here. All right, all the rest of these are constants. They don't have any variables attached to them. We're going to drag them over here into this section over here because they are also like terms. And that is how this is going to look. All you did was you grouped them in like terms. All of these had a variable of X. All of these had a variable of C. These had a variable of V, and these were constants or just numbers. And this is how it should look. If you drag them to different colors, that's fine. Just make sure they're grouped together. But this is how it should look before you move on from this slide.